DeLorean One presents a new concept in automotive repair. Our custom DeLorean carrier will pick up your car and transport it safely to one of our service centers in Texas or California, where it can be professionally repaired and restored.
Hi, Mr. Smith. Ed Bernstein from DeLorean One.
Oh, good to see you.
Here to pick up your car, sir.
Did you have any
Dozens of
problems?
owners have taken advantage of this exceptional service. For example, Don Smith of Conway, South Carolina, asked us to pick up his 1981 DeLorean.
It's that good, huh?
It's that bad.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it. I'd like to get right into it.
Okay, well, let's go look at it.
Okay, sir.
Don's car, which was stored for 4 years, had been vandalized and was in very poor condition. Don decided to use DeLorean One's pickup service for one very good reason. He wanted to get the job done right the first time. Don could have chosen a local repair shop in his hometown, but he felt there was no one qualified who could properly restore his DeLorean to its original factory condition. Our carriers have state-of-the-art security systems to help protect your car while en route to our nearest service center. Several weeks later, Don flew in to pick up his car.
We all have a fondness for the cars. We all like the cars.
Stephen
we're all
Wynn,
very
co-owner
fortunate.
and operations manager of our Houston facility, gave Don a tour through our service center.
It's a hobby that's turned into a business for us all.
Well, this car came back from North Carolina.
On the tour, Don met senior technician Warren Wallingford. Warren's specialty is the DeLorean. He lives, eats, and breathes this automobile. Here in the workshop, Warren's job is made easier because he uses the specialized tools required to get the job done right.
Just clean it off.
In addition, DeLorean One imports new parts from England, Germany, and France on a regular basis. And our inventory is the best in the United States.
And when the man gets his car back, it's going to go like the wind. This is the only car I work on. This DeLorean's the only car that I work on, and so I know where every one of these hoses go. Every one of them. Every one of those wires is a friend of mine.
This is a car that was brought in from Alabama.
Stephen showed Don a car that was transported improperly.
What happened is the louver flicked up. It snapped in half and then rolled over the top of the car, denting all the doors.
Whether your car is secured inside our custom-designed trailer or atop our flatbed carrier, our drivers pay specific attention to the special needs of a DeLorean. DeLorean One pickup service is geared toward the DeLorean owner, who is aware of the appreciating value of his automobile and is concerned about how his investment is handled and maintained.
And as you can see, all the leather has dried out, all the dash is cracked and dried out, and what we shall be doing is we'll be restoring the whole of this car to perfect original condition, and when it leaves here it will look like your car does. Do you, Don? Oh, there's your car. Warren, would you mind backing Don's car out into the daylight for me, please? So we can... Sit inside it and take a look at some of the stuff that we've done here.
Sure, yes.
We'll show you what's going on. As you can see, we put all the inside.
Our service makes good sense because it is less expensive to have the job done right by professionals who know exactly what to look for.
The CD player, the front and rear remote control radar detectors installed, the telephone, and everything else is back to where it should be on the car. You can go anywhere.
At DeLorean One, we take pride in our professionalism. In addition to making your DeLorean run like new, we can make it look like new.
Just go for it. We all are very happy and very content with the work that we do. We all enjoy it. We enjoy when we get a car like yours that came in, that everybody was walking around shaking their heads saying what's going to happen, and we weren't even looking at the outside of the car. We were looking at the inside of the car, and we were ecstatic because we knew we'd bring it out and it would be wonderful.
Call us today to a range of pickup.